Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel and today's recipe is kids favorite recipe how to make veg chow mein. Let's get started. First, turn on the flame and then add some oil. Let the oil become hot and then we'll move to the next step. Once it's done, then add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 medium size green chili. Saute these both in the oil for at least 30 seconds till you get that taste. Keep stirring it to ensure it doesn't burn. Once it's nicely sauteed, add some sliced onion. Here I'm using medium sized onion. You can use big size onion as well. Once the onions are nicely sauteed, here I am going to add sliced capsicum. Here again I am using medium sized capsicum. Capsicum won't take a lot of time to get sauteed. So add one small size shredded cabbage and saute again. We have to cook the veggies till the rawness goes away. Here I'm going to add salt as per your taste. Mix it well with the veggies and then I'm going to add some black pepper powder and mix it again. You can use our favorite veggies in this recipe like carrots, French beans, etc. Then add 1 spoon of homemade green chili sauce and 1 spoon of Szechuan chutney, and I'm going to add some tomato ketchup to balance its taste. You can adjust the amount of sauces as per your taste and mix these sauces well. Here I am not using red chili sauce. Instead, I am using Szechuan chutney which will work as a substitute of red chili sauce. Then I am going to add some vinegar and dark soya sauce. Mix this well and our next step is to add our boiled noodles. Once you have mixed everything well, add your boiled noodles and toss it really nicely. The way of boiling the noodles is that we need 10 cups of water in a large bowl and let it come to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, add the noodles. As the noodles are partially cooked, you need to boil it for just 2 minutes and then drain them off. To prevent our noodles from sticking, we need to add 1 teaspoon of oil. This tossing process may take a little more time than expected, and once this is done, serve it hot on a platter and enjoy. To finish it off, you can garnish your noodles with some chili flakes and oregano. This cooking process hardly takes 10 to 15 minutes and it's so delicious and divine. For more such divine recipes, subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.